In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Figma element not showing up. If something you placed on the canvas seems to have vanished. Don't worry, this usually comes down to a few quick checks. Let's walk through them together so you can get your element back on screen and keep moving. First, open your design. With the file loaded, head straight to the Layers panel on the left. This is the most common place the issue reveals itself. Make sure the missing element actually lives inside the correct frame or group. If it's sitting outside the parent container, it won't appear where you expect. Simply drag the layer into the intended frame or group until you see it nested correctly. This ensures the element follows the frame's position and properties. Next, select the parent frame and look to the design panel on the right. Find the option labeled Clip Content. If this is checked, anything that falls outside the frame's visible bounds will be hidden. Uncheck Clip Content to immediately reveal objects that are hanging just beyond the edge. This is especially helpful when you've dragged an element slightly off canvas or resized a frame and the element didn't move with it. While you are in the Layers panel, confirm the element isn't hidden or locked. If you see the eye icon turned off next to the layer, click it to toggle visibility back on. If T here is a lock icon, unlock the layer so you can select and move it. A hidden or locked layer can look like it's missing when it's really just not allowed to show or be edited. If the element still isn't visible, it may be sitting behind another layer. Right-click the element on the canvas or select its layer on the left. Then choose Bring to Front. You can also drag the layer upward in the Layers panel to change its stacking order. Once it's visible, give it a clear color so it's easy to spot. Adding a solid fill or a contrasting shade helps you confirm it's in the right place and not blending into the background. That's it. Thanks for watching.